Okay, so in continuation, um, yeah, since we have already done with the logo, actually we can use that as our profile picture for our Facebook business page. Then let's go ahead and create our cover photo for our business page. Yes. So after you're done with the logo, go to Canva again, then search for Facebook cover. Okay, Facebook cover. Yes. That's 2050 by 750 px. Okay, here it is. So we can customize this. Oh, yeah, this is bike related. Okay, this is good. So we can change this. Um, our Mike's bike shop. So we can actually look for photos. So, for example, so let's get a picture or photos from Google. So, bike shop. So let's say we have already some pictures for our business. Yeah, for our business that we can post on social media. We can also use that as our cover photo. So yes. So let's upload the picture that we downloaded. Upload, click upload, then upload media, then device, then open. Here you go. Photos, uploads. Then you can drag it directly, then it will appear. So given that these are our I mean our own copy of our photos. So yeah, assuming that these are all from us. So yeah, we can actually download this, or we can customize it based on the background, based on our brand fascination. Yes. So assuming that it's done, so download, we can use this as our um, Facebook business cover page. Yes. So we can upload this. We can post this on our Facebook page. Then your customers will have an idea that you are selling bikes or bicycle parts. Yes. So yeah, we're good. So it's really important to make sure that our social media, like Facebook and Instagram, are properly equipped. Like you have the logos, you have the profile pictures, you have the cover photos, so that the customers will have the impression what you are selling. So yeah, I think we're all good, and I hope that you learned from me. So yeah, see you on the next video tutorial. Thank you and have a nice day. Bye.